Hello everyone, this is Viola from Keyestudio. We established in 2013 and we have more than 12 years experience for the factory manufacture, for the sensor border, it's come for the micro:bit, Raspberry Pi, Arduino kits. So you can see this is our product. This kind of the sensor. This sensor is for the Lego compatible because they have a case for the Lego hole. And this is the different sensor. They have a different function. You can make your own projects. And this connector is for the telephone cable RJ11. And these kits can be compatible with the Arduino and micro:bit. And we have also have the different kits for the different function.